good morning, lovely children. How are you? Miss Rosi is here. Today is painting day, and Miss Rosi will show you how to do wet and wet painting. It's a fun activity. I think you will love it. Okay, I will show you what you need to do and what things you need. Things you need are painting paper, plastic tray, brush, jar, 3 small glasses, hand towel, paint, 3 colors, blue, red and yellow, and don't forget water. Okay, and now I will show you how to do wet on wet painting.
Step 1. Mix the paint with the water. The first color Miss Hanna will mix is yellow. Don't forget to clean the brush. The second color is red. And the third color is blue. Step 2. Soak the painting paper into the water using the plastic tray. And then tap to wash away the water. Step 3. Pick your color and swipe the brush on the paper. Here I pick yellow. I swipe the brush here and there. Second, I pick red. Third, I pick blue. You can explore and blend the color. I explore the color, it's like a magic. Ta-da! It's finished! Hope you can enjoy this activity. Don't forget to take a picture and submit it to Google Classroom. Thank you. Have a nice day.